quick disclaimer, this is not my idea, but I can't really say whose idea it is, because I don't want, this is not a sponsor right here. But, yeah, this idea was from It's Me Danny. Go subscribe to him. What time is it? 10:11. I was supposed to be up by 10:10. Why am I still in these PJs? And I need to take a shower and do all this stuff. Why am I still in these PJs? Jesus. Okay, it's 10:11. You are used to this. It's just gonna be 9 o'clock for now because I switched it on accident. Okay, it's 9 o'clock and I was supposed to be up by 8, which means my flight is possibly delayed. So what I have to do is rush so I can tell the flight people to make my thing again. So I'm going to take a shower and then I'll get back to y'all. I'm guessing that's my plane flight. Probably is. It's not raining. Oh well. Let me put my robe on. Okay, now that my robe is on, I need to let out my curly curls before I go. She said that I have to straighten my hair there so it'll be fresh. So let's take out these curls. Okay, they're cute, but I think they'll freshen up when we get there. Now, geez, I got a cough, but I have to be there for my model shoot. Now, I guess I'll put on this pink pajama outfit with these nice slippers. Yeah, okay. I knew my curls were gonna freshen up. Alright, I am running late, so I gotta go. My bag should already be in the tinted car, but can't take the backyard. And I'm pretty sure all my fans are asleep right now. I hope. But I'm going back to LA for a month. So I'm gonna miss this house, but I hope. Let me take this garage, but I hope I don't see any fans. Actually, I think my limo's gonna come get me. And there should be no fans out right now. And if there is, there's something wrong with it. At least I decorated my house for Halloween with Halloween decorations I can hide behind. Gotta pick 'em near, gotta pick 'em near, gotta pick 'em near, pick 'em near. She should be behind there. I hope she can get in here quick enough. Beep beep. Oh, there he is. Drive, guys, drive. I have to be there in who knows how long. But I've been up for 3 hours and I was supposed to be there by 8 p.m. It's 12 a.m. It's the next day. Okay, your bag's already here too. Alright, at the airport for LA for a month. Bye. Bye, Miss Nia. Bye, sir. It's nice. Bye. Thanks for dropping me off. Alright, let's check in. Well, nobody's here, so... Oh, he drove off already? I guess he's ready for his vacation. Only bodyguard I got. Alright. Trip to Los Angeles. Here I come. I don't know why I'm putting my bags down when nobody else is here, but Okay. And what gate am I? Gate 1. I guess I'll be there in a no biggie. Alright. First class. But all the way in the front. Because it's first. Like, first for a reason. Good night. Oh, made it. And it is daytime. Alright, apartments for 1 month. See you guys when I get there. Okay, this should be it. 10. So I'm gonna go put my stuff up and put on my outfits. Cause she wants me to modelize. Oh, wrong room. She wants me to modelize Halloween costumes. So, but she only gave me 2. See you guys when I'm all dressed. Alright, this is the first one. Period slay. Looking good. But she did say get some red nails, so I'm gonna put on some red nails really quick. Alright, got my red Christmas nails on. Let's get going. They said I should just walk because it's literally just right there. I told them, do I have to? And they just all stared at me and said, yes. So, looks like I'm walking. It's like walking who? What she think this is? And my fans live in LA. They all stopped being my fans because I left. And then they thought I left them. And it was just, that's just crazy because I don't even know any of them. Like, I know them. But like, I never met y'all or anything. So don't be acting like I just am y'all best friend and I just love y'all. Like, what? Anyhow, I'm here. Yep, this is the place. I'm here. Ready for my photo shoot. Why are these things up here? Are you gonna let some of them down? No? Okay. Fine. Because I don't even care. Just take these pictures of me so I can go. Alright, time to change it to my Coraline outfit. I look like a hobo. Yes, I do. Alright, let's get posing. YB! time to go back home. So I came back home and they said I can leave LA. So what I'm gonna do is sleep because they said I'm fine.